Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the blower motor for your HVAC system. This is located under the dash behind the glove box. Let's get started. We're going to remove this shroud. Pull down to remove the clips. We can remove our 3 Phillips head screws. We'll press in on the tab and release the connector. You want to check the terminals for corrosion. When you remove the blower motor, be careful not to tip it back and forth. That way you don't dump any debris in the car. Check up in here for any debris left over and clean any out that you need to. We can install our new blower motor. Make sure it's in the same orientation as the old one and line up your screw holes. Make sure you hear the connector click. We can install the rest of our screws. You want to be careful when tightening these screws down. They just go into plastic. Turn your HVAC fans on and test the blower motor. Make sure you don't hear any funny noises. Now we can reinstall our shroud. If the clips you removed are damaged, you want to replace them. And with the shroud installed, we're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.